The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to take a PDF form that you cannot either click on checkboxes to put input or that don't allow you the ability to type into the form or to fill it in. So for instance, you have to use an ink pen, and there are tools that are available that give you the ability to convert this document into one that is typable. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to scroll back up to the top and leave this here, and I'm going to click on Google Chrome because that's the search engine that I want to use, and I'm going to type in PDF Escape and press enter. And this tool comes up and it shows me that I can click on this link to open the software. At the very bottom right, I'm going to click Edit Your PDF File Now. So in this area, you'll select and click Upload PDF. And the PDF file I want to upload, I'm going to click on Choose File, but mine has been saved to the desktop. So I'm going to click on it and select Open. Here I'll click Upload. And what I'll notice is that right now as I scroll down, this is one of the checkboxes, and really the whole area cannot be typed in or filled in right now automatically. So what I'm going to do is look to the left, and I'm going to click on Form Field. And this comes up where it asks, what type of field do you want to create? I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to select Checkbox, and then Select. And the first thing that I'm going to do is click in this box. By doing so, I can go in and resize the box by clicking and dragging. And to remove the check mark, I'll click it one time. And that gives me the ability to add that first checkbox. You can do the same by clicking on the next one. And again, just clicking to remove the check mark. And you'll just continue on like so until you've filled in this area. So I'm done with that, and I decide that I want to move down a little bit further. And what it's going to do is bring me to this spot. So if you decide that you want to have an area to type in your text, what you'll do is you'll click on that particular area. If you get that, that lets you know that's not right. So in this case, I'm going to press the delete button. And I'm going to click Form Field again. This time what I'm going to do is use the text button. So I'm going to click Select. Once I click one time, it also gives me the opportunity to resize that field the way that I want. Click in the next area and continue on until you have all these fields done. And because I'm just doing a sample here, what I'm going to do is leave these like so. It's my goal now to have this set up so that I can type in. And if I want to, I can just save what I have and download it. If I look to the right, I'm going to click Save and Download PDF. And I'm going to place this onto the desktop. And I'm going to say New Application. And I'll click on Save. And what I can do at this point is click to open that document. And any of the fields that I have already created, those will be able to be filled in. So I'm going to scroll down. And if you look at what I did earlier, only the fields that I selected and added the modifications to allow me to provide input. So I'm going to click here. And you can see I can add in all the check marks that I want. And of course I can uncheck it if I desire. And if I move down a little bit further, you'll see now that I have the opportunity to click and type in, and now it's really neat that, put my last name in, it's really neat that you have the opportunity to fill in the rest of this information, and now you just have this typable form. So there you have it. That's how you create a typable or a fillable form once that particular PDF file does not allow you to manually type it in.